Hey, what's up, guys? So in Python, we use booleans to choose whether to run lines of code or to skip over them. We use what's called an if statement. For example, let's do if true. Hey. And so you see it prints off hey. So in this case, like we said before, true and false are special words. So they're capitalized. And you also notice that we spaced over in this statement. It's something you have to memorize. Also, the colon after true. So above, you'll see that Python runs the code if it says true. Now, if we want to skip over the code, we just put false instead. So let's do that. If false, colon, space, or enter space, print. Let's do hey. See, it doesn't print anything. So long story short, remember the format and just remember that if it's true, it lets you run the code, and if it's false, it doesn't let you run the code. That's it. All right, thanks.